Moz here from Moz6510 Models. We're a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Kit review time. I've been going through the JB Models vintage kits. I've got 3 in my stash and I think this is the 3rd one that I have unboxed and reviewed. So tonight I will be unboxing this Saladin MK.2 armoured car. It's part of the JB Models range. It's a 1:76 scale. If you've seen previous videos, you'll understand that Airfix acquired this company around 2006, 2008, just as Hornby had bought Airfix. And they brought the kits out as a 1:76 scale in a big fanfare. But the Airfix kits are basically reboxes of the JB Models kit. It's very good. You know, if you look back, it was released in 1994 and that was it. Basically released, and they kept on putting it out there, and then Airfix released it in 2008 as part of this 1:76 scale hoo-ha that they had at the time. And it is very basic. It's like I call it like the 1:44 scale with airplanes. You know, it's very basic for what it is. So in 2008 they released it. I've not seen this for sale again since 2008. It's basically got the old Airfix symbol on, but as I said, I've not seen this released since. So 2008, 2020, so almost 12 years ago. So in 1993, this kit is roughly 27 years old. Let's have a look outside the box first so you can see what you get. So let's move that out of the way. It's picture drawing or painting of the image of the vehicle that you're going to be building. On the side, same as normal, just tells you it's a model kit and requires assembly, paint and glue not included. Picture again on the side telling you what it is, 1:76 scale. The code is JB1004 on the side, telling you there it's not suitable for children under 3 years. Same as the other side. Then on the back you have basically an artist impression of the kit, 70mm long or 7 centimeters. Then tells you there it was made by JB Models in 1994. Let's open the box, side opening box. Let's see what you get inside. Again, comes in a sealed bag. I'm not expecting a lot of sprues in this one. Out the sprues come. You have 1, 2, 3 sprues. You have a small decal sheet with some number plates on. Okay, you also have one set of instructions which we'll go through after. So let's have a quick look at the sprues. Not really much of detail on the pieces or the parts themselves. There it just says they're JB Models copyright. Going through, there's not a lot there. There's a little bit of a foot grill there or grill there. There's the top of the armor. Right, there's that. There's I think that's the turret. Small little gun there. Turn it over, little machine gun. Not much there to see. Base of the turret there. Some flaps. All the numbers are quite big actually, printed alongside. There's not actually little nubs, they're actually printed on the sprue itself. You see that? And then you also have this one here, which is the wheels. And there is some tread on the wheels. They look alright. There's no flash, remember, because this is basically a new tooling. You very rarely see flash on a new tooling. They get it spot on, don't they? And there you are. There's the 6 wheels. I have no idea what these are underneath, but I'll have a look in the instructions and let you know. So there's the sprues. A little bit of history here. The development of the Saladin armoured car began in 47, but due to specification changes, including the main armament. The first 2 prototypes were not delivered till 1953, so you know you're looking at 8 years after the war. Further delays occurred when priority was given to the production of the FV Saracen APC, and then the production finally began at the Alvis Company in Coventry in 1958. So there you go, and there's a lot of information there. And it was powered by Rolls-Royce B80 Mark 6A 8-cylinder petrol engines. So I see what they are now. My mistake. These looks like the axles. These are the axles. Divvy, eh? There's the axles there. So parts 1 and 2. 1 and 2. You basically stick the wheel on the axle. That's easy. Put them together. Number 2. So what are they? Just looking at. There's a lot of small pieces then, isn't there? Look at that. So number 20, you get 3 of them. I suppose they're for the smoke canisters, aren't they? I don't know. Let's look into this vehicle. I don't know much about this vehicle at all. It's totally bushwhacking me, this one. But you see, look, it is quite a solid sprue, to be fair. Anyways, let's go on. Put everything together, like the turret, the flaps, everything all there, the gun, machine gun, everything all together there. Then you put the axles onto the chassis, put on the top there, and it tells you here all the bits on which it's all exploded view. There's not what you would call step by step. It is got step by step, but it's more of an exploded view, and you do them all in sections. It looks like it's like section 1, do part 2, number 3, then you stick the wheels on underneath there. And also at the back here you have your color scheme. Scheme number 1 is based on information supplied by the Tank Museum in Bovington, which is where it's currently displayed, so it's displayed there. Side lights, tires, machine gun headlights, telling you all the colors here. So you need matte black, bronze green, desert yellow, matte red, matte orange, silver, matte white, and gunmetal, which are all the Umbro references. So it's going to be pretty simple to get your paints together and build. So there you are. That is another Airfix kit. It really is a JB Models kit that was reboxed as Airfix, and I don't suppose you see many of these around. I've personally not seen them around at all. They came in a job lot of kits, and I think they've been a really good little mini-series on the JB Models range. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And also ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Any comments, any questions, put them in the box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.